Right, you can stay here.
Nice.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, them steps, okay.
The Daimler Dart, which is obviously the Daimler Jaguar family related. Beautiful car. Should have been an MG Beta, but circumstances meant that not huge numbers were built. This one's got a London registration from about 1960. It's in black. Very nice it is too. We're about to see one which may have a police pedigree. Can you believe the police use these
At least you've got some shape there.
Going 130 miles an hour down the M1, which was then legal, but there was an outcry when the programme was shown on television, and the law was changed, and the police decided they had to get a few cars capable of stopping speeding motorists on the motorway. And I know about 20 of them were on, and this is a survivor.
It is.
So I say they're on about 20 or so. It's fantastic.
Is this an actual ex-police car? Is it an actual ex-police car?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Well, the
Could
story...
you tell us something about it? How you came
We do
across it?
videos which are on YouTube.
Right. We bought it at Goodwood last year. It was the pace car for quite a few years, and it was owned by Win Percy, who was a racing driver. We had it in Spain, and we came too ill to drive it, so we sold it at the auction at Goodwood last year, and we bought it there.
Very nice. Thank you.
I know that the Daimler Dart was the top sports car that never was, because of circumstances in competition with things like the Austin Healey and the MGBs.
I believe
The
it's
timing wasn't quite right. It's the most beautiful car. I know it made in gigantically like the MGB, but it's absolutely beautiful. How long have you owned the vehicle?
And we owned it last September. We bought it, so only 8 months.
Its registration looks about London, about 1960 odd.
1962.
Oh, I'm off by 12, not too bad for me.
Coming to the Hope Valley, you know the Hope Valley. I cycle out there, walk out there.
The Daimler Dart was a wonderful sports car from the very early 1960s. Didn't sell, unfortunately, as well as the Bs did. Perhaps with a slightly old-fashioned feel. Some beautiful cars. Here's two identical ones, both convertible, both drop head. One on the right is London registered from circa 1960. One on the left, one of the home counties on the outskirts of London about the same year. Both immaculate. The one on the right's got I'm hoping, original fog lamps. And as I say, the Metropolitan Police at one time ran 20 in order to catch speeding drivers down England's first motorway, the M1.
They got a V8, haven't they? And they're fiberglass, so they're very light.
V8, yeah.
And they've got discs all round apparently.
Oh wow!
So they absolutely fly, and they used to catch the cafe races.
Yeah, I must have. Well, I suppose it's nice to drive in the States so that a MGB convertible down the California freeways. But believe me, there are plenty of them. There are very few of these. These really catch people by. Well, lovely cars here in Macclesfield in Cheshire, near Macclesfield in Cheshire at Gawsworth Hall, in the northern part of the United Kingdom. Two beautiful Daimler Darts. I think there's round about 8 here today, scattered around, and why ever not? This is the country they come from.